In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ActiveCampaign to a Zoom meeting. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. If you're looking to streamline your communication and marketing efforts, linking ActiveCampaign with Zoom is a fantastic way to do that. This connection allows you to automate mate registrations, manage follow-ups, and ultimately enhance your audience's experience. First things first, make sure you have your ActiveCampaign and Zoom accounts ready. If you haven't signed up for either platform yet, you can easily do so by visiting their websites. Once you have your accounts set up, we're ready to proceed. Begin by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're in, navigate to the Integrations section. You can usually find this in the sidebar on the left side of the screen. You're going to look for the option to add a new integration. In the Integrations page, there will be a search bar where you can type in Zoom. Select Zoom from the options that appear. The next step is to connect your accounts. You'll be prompted to authorize ActiveCampaign to access your Zoom account. Just click Connect or Authorize, and you might need to log into your Zoom account if you're not already logged in. After connecting, you're likely to see a few settings that you can adjust. Make sure to select the options you want for your meetings. For instance, you might want to set it up so that every time someone registers for an event through ActiveCampaign, they automatically receive a confirmation email with their Zoom link. Once that's set up, you can create an automation within ActiveCampaign. To do that, head to the Automations tab. Here, you'll either create a new automation or edit an existing one if you already have a process in place for managing event signups. When creating your new automation, start by selecting the trigger. In this case, you might want to choose Subscribes to a List or Submits a Form, whichever suits your needs better for collecting participants' information. Make sure your form includes any necessary details such as name, email, and time zone to simplify scheduling. Next, add an action within the automation. Choose Add a Zoom Meeting Event or similar options based on what's available. You'll select the Zoom meeting you want to link to this action and configure any details needed, like the date and time. After setting all these pieces up, it's important to test the automation. You want to ensure that when someone registers through your ActiveCampaign form, they receive the appropriate communications and their Zoom link efficiently. It's a good idea to test this using your email to confirm that everything works smoothly. Finally, don't forget to monitor the performance of your integration over time. Keep an eye on attendance rates and engagement. You might want to tweak your processes along the way depending on the feedback and results you get. And there you have it. You've successfully connected ActiveCampaign to Zoom. This integration is sure to save you time and improve your administrative workflow when managing meetings and webinars. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing for more content like this. Thanks for watching,